In this video lesson, I will show you what is a Pip value calculator for the instrument US dollar against Chinese currency. Here inside this Pip value calculator you will also see an article that explains how to make the calculation, what is the formula, how to make the calculation for the base currency which is US dollar, for the quote currency which is Chinese currency, and also for any other currency, for example third currency, for example euro, how to make this calculation. You will see what are the formulas are used, and also below that at the end you will have an example what is the profit or loss when you have 20 pips price difference. Let me show you what is a Pip value calculator and which fields does it have that you need to enter. Here the first field is the number of pips, and that means I have put here as an example 1, which means 1 pip. You can put any other number of pips here to make the calculation. Then you have instrument, which is a US dollar against Chinese currency. Then you have here a field for the units, and that represents also the number of lots. One lot is equal to 100,000 units, so I have put this one as 100,000 units. If you change here to lots, you can put the number of lot. Then you have here a deposit currency. That means which currency you have on your trading platform as a trading account currency. In my case, I have US dollar, so I have put here deposit currency to US dollar. Okay, so if you would like to change to any other currency, you can simply go here and change that. Then you have here the US Chinese currency 1 pip size, which means a 1 pip is equal to the 4th decimal point on the currency price. If you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is 7.33860, and that means the 5th decimal point is the number of pipettes, not number of pips. The number of pips is on the 4th decimal point. So this means that also on my trading platform I am using the pip is on the 4th decimal point, which is correct. Then also you have here additional field to make the calculation. In this case, this additional field for additional currency is automatically selected when you are calculating price for the pip for the currency that is not deposit currency equal to one of these currencies inside your instrument. If you are using euro, for example, this Pip value calculator will select additional currency price to make the calculation for the euro. If you have euro as a deposit currency, which is not US dollar or Chinese currency, which is an instrument, the calculator needs additional price that have euro in it to make the calculation for the pip. So when you click calculate, you get that 1 pip in US against Chinese currency is equal to 1.25 euros. If you use US dollar, if you put USD, here additional currency price is the same as US dollar Chinese currency, so the calculator doesn't use any of additional currencies. So when you click calculate, you get that value for the 1 pip is equal to 1.36 US dollar. Let me show you an example here on the trading platform how this is used. When you open new order, I will put here volume, which is lot size, to 1, and click sell by the market. I have a new order open, and here you have the number of pips, and also here it is the profit in US dollar. It says -44, which means minus 4.4 pips, and when I put this value here inside the Pip value calculator, you can put minus or without the minus, it doesn't matter. When you put minus 4.4 pips, you will get $6 as a profit or loss. When you go here to the trading platform, you should get the same value. Now it will be a little bit hard to put the same value at the same time. Let's put here 6.30 minus 4.5. You can see it here. Minus 4.5 pips, it is minus 6.13 US dollar. It is the same values, which means that you can use this Pip value calculator to calculate how much money you would make based on the number of pips. And that would be helpful if you change, for example, let's change this to stop loss and take profit by 1000 units, which means 100 pips. Click OK, change this one, and you can see the stop loss take profit levels here. So when you put your mouse here on the take profit, you can see that the profit is $129.72, and that means 95.2 pips. When I put here 95.2 pips, I need to get the same value as it is here. So I have got 129.74, and inside trading platform I have 129.72. So there is a small difference because of the calculations and also rounding numbers inside the trading platform and also inside this calculator. But usually this small difference doesn't make any difference in calculating the price for the take profit and stop loss, which means you can use this Pip calculator to calculate how much money you would make on this trade on a stop loss, also take profit. So before opening an order, you can also calculate how much of the pips you would put as a take profit and stop loss, and here by using this Pip value calculator you could see how much money you could make or lose on that trade. And if everything is okay based on your risk management, you can continue opening a new order with the number of pips for the stop loss and take profit you have predicted. So this is all from this video. You can see how to use this Pip value calculator for the US against Chinese currency. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment, and I will try to answer your questions in the following video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading!